Joe from RDI here with our next tips and tricks. Today we're going to talk about care and maintenance again, specifically this time to a cable railing system. Now most of these systems like ours have a high grade stainless steel fitting and cable wire, which means really they won't rust. But if you do get a foreign contaminant on them, that contaminant may discolor or rust and make it appear like the fitting or the system has imperfections or dirt on it. Cleaning and protecting this is most important right after installation. Typically these fittings are turned tight with a nickel or chrome plated wrench. Now some of that material could rub off on the fitting and cause it to appear discolored or like it's rusting. Now we do offer a two-part system, a rust and stain remover as well as a protectant. Really easy to apply. We're going to show you right now. We recommend you do this once or twice a year, maybe a little more often if you're near the beach or a saltwater community. This will keep your rail protected from the elements as well as those clumsy friends and their libations. For more information on care and maintenance and our cable rail products, visit us at rdirail.com.